Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is a little special. A few months ago I got a very special package. Package. I think I was right. Package from an American friend, Jeff. Hi, thank you again if you're watching this video. I've been wanting to open it in a video with you guys, so I have no idea what's inside. I'm kind of guessing what could be inside, but here it is. It's a ready-to-eat meal that, if I understood well, is sent to military people. I don't know how you say that in French. You know, on the spot. I mean, on the field, wherever they are. So first of all, I'm a little curious to see how much it weighs. So I'm gonna put it on gram and then on lbs for you guys. Oh, okay. So it's 684 grams, which, well, I didn't think, you know, will be like that. So in lbs, let me see. I think this is it. Yeah, not really sure what we have. Millimeter. Yeah, lbs. Yeah. Okay. I think this one is probably way overdue. I think you say overdue. Vous savez, la date dépassée, la date de péremption. Je sais pas. Absolutely have no idea how you say that in English. But yeah, let's open that. I'm guessing this is still the same right now. I mean, you know, the packages that you send that are sending are still, you know, like this.
Can you speak English?
If it's not, if you know it's not, please tell me. I'll be learning something else. So I wonder what's the material. It looks like, I guess it's plastic. Ooh, feels like I'm doing an unboxing of one of your package, guys. Ah, okay, so yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, wow. So actually, here I've got, yeah, I had something like this, and I thought it was, you know, it was outside the package. And I think if I remember well, Jeff, you told me that it was something that you could find inside those. So we have something like this. Oh, that's like, look at this, like very small Tabasco, this Tabasco bottle. Oh, crackers? Vegetable, okay. Then, what is that? Do not overfill? Oh, it's a heater bag? Like you can heat stuff inside. If I'm right, this is what I'm understanding. Yeah, that's great. Wow. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Then, Sterling cookie with pan-coated chocolate disc. You got cookie in the army? That's great. Cheese spread with jalapenos, the spicy thing. Oh yeah, okay. Oh well, you got cheese. Oh yeah. You know, as a French, I'm not really sure cheese inside that kind of stuff. Not in the fridge could be great, but oh, we'll see. A spoon. Well, yeah, very useful for sure. A spoon. Dairy shake strawberry. Oh, it's like a milkshake. Well, wait, you got cookie, milkshake, cheese, crackers. I mean, that's great. I wasn't expecting that. Beef stew. Wow, that's great. Yeah, that's really great. So what does it say? You need to eat more and drink more water or other fluids in these situations when you don't eat enough to meet your body's energy needs. You lose weight. This can lead to a loss of body fluids and degrades your performance. Well, that's true. So we'll put that aside and we'll go back to this little one and open it and see. So we have gum, Tabasco, and I guess 4 grams of sugars. Yeah, well, sugar is a good thing to boost you, I guess. So, you know, because of the probably overdue date, how do you say that? Expiry date. I knew it. Due to the expiry dates that I'm probably sure are way, you know, way in the past, I'm not sure I'm gonna, you know, taste the stuff. But there is no expiry date though, so I don't know. So we have gums. Cute little gums. Lighthouse. Light as lighting, to light something, to make a fire. Oh, that's tissues. Ugh, smells bad. That smells real bad. Okay, I don't know. Lighthouse. Maybe lighthouse is just the the where it's produced. I don't know. But those are tissues. Maybe, well, they make good things for fire for sure. But I don't know. Oh yeah. Oh okay. Oh wow, that's good. Matches are designed especially for damp cleanings, but will not light when wet or after long exposure to very damp hair. Okay. So, oh wow, you got a lot of stuff. Okay. Ah, that's cool. Look at that. That's real nice. Then, Taster's Choice. Freeze. Coffee! That's coffee? And I could taste it, no? Yeah, I don't know. Let's open it just to smell it. Oh! Yeah, it's not coffee anymore. It's I mean, oh, actually it smells real good, but I mean it's white and all inside, like moisture, you know. I'm not sure, maybe it's actually the coffee, you know, the color of it. But I mean, to me coffee is you know, black or marron, chocolate color. So yeah, I'm not gonna taste it. Then we have cream substitute dry for coffee. I'm sorry, what? You have even cream for your coffee in case you like your coffee with cream? That's amazing. You know, I've always seen, you know, like the military environment as being very tough and complicated, and then, you know, like you don't eat as you should and blah blah blah. That's great to know that those packages are being sent to military people. Oh, salt, okay, 4 grams. And so we have also the sugar one. And yeah, so this Tabasco, does not look like good at all. Tabasco sauce, but yeah, with a weird color. Weird being not even enough to describe the color of it. Yeah, I didn't see any date, but yeah, I was wondering. It's written menu number 9. Does it mean there are 8 menus before this one? And if so, I'd like to know what's inside. But yeah. And tablet. Oh, it's to clean your hand. Let's see if it's still, yeah, it's all dried up, of course. Of course it is. Well, it could definitely, being used for, like a fire or something. Okay, well, this first little package was interesting. Let's move on to the other one. The cracker one. I want to know how it looks like. Looks good, actually. Oh, okay. It smells like, you know, those things that you use for putting stuff on the wall. Or to la pâte à modeler. I don't know how you say that, but it exactly smells like that. It looks nice, but I don't know. I could get food poisoning, right? So I don't know. I want to taste, but I'm not sure it's a good idea. But there's no expiration date, so you got 4 grams of protein inside that. That's nice. Dairy shake, milkshake. I'm guessing. I know, milkshake will be with a milk, but there is no milk. But there are milk inside, I don't know.
Can you speak English?
Oh, looks totally white, but oh, you know, maybe the smell of it is the actual smell of it. Maybe it's because it expired a long time ago, but you know, as it's really like, I mean, everything is industrial. so maybe this is way. Oh, so I get a small cup in here. Let's put a little of that. Let's use a spoon. We got a spoon. Nice spoon. Let's just try with one spoon. Oh my goodness, the smell is horrible. Got some water, let's see. Oh yeah, it's strawberry, so of course it will turn pink. Oh, that's cute. Oh, now I want to taste it. The smell is so horrible that I'm not gonna taste it. Wow. Should I just go for a sip? Oh no. Absolutely no. Oh my god. Ah, that's terrible. Let's drink some water. This is something that you've already experienced before, and you know how it tastes like. Tell me if this really tastes horrible or it's actually because it's expired. Let's move on to the cookie. 280 calories per serving. It's a lot of calories for just a cookie. That looks legit. Is there like this is M&M's? Looks good, but the smell is terrible too. Eh? I mean that looks great. I'm gonna throw up. Okay, it looks good, but let's just put that back in the case because it's too bad. I'd like to taste the real food, but this is a cheese. Oh my god, this smell is gonna be really horrible. Let's do it at the end, the cheese stuff. Let's do the beef first. Honestly, guys, I'm having a lot of fun. This is fun. I know it's a special on the channel, but I'm doing American stuff, so I hope you're enjoying it so far with me. Oh, okay, comes like that. Beef. On dirait de la pâté pour chat. Oh purée. It smells exactly like that. Oh. Oh. It smells awfully good. Beef, water, vegetables, potatoes, carrots, green peas, modified food starch, tomato paste, margarine, sugar, protein, caramel. Okay, well I wouldn't taste it either, just to avoid food poisoning or something like that. Let me pour it into a cup. I mean, no, a Sara being a plate. I'm having so much fun. That's great. Okay, let's see. Okay, well, some are still left inside, but looks legit, right? I mean, honestly, looks fresh and good. I'm really surprised. I'm guessing it's because of the package. I mean, the material, and it smells real good. I mean, this is the first thing that really smells good. So I'm not even sure it expired. Oh yeah, maybe actually. Oh yeah, of course, yeah. Yeah, we can see the white stuff isn't good. Yeah. Okay, well, yeah, that's how it looks like. Moving on. Oh yeah, the cheese is the last one. Cheddar, cheese, milk, water, and jalapenos. Wow, 170 calories. That's great. I think those were made to really, bring you calories, energy, because calories are energy. So yeah. Not sure about the color either. That's horrible. I mean, I'm guessing the color is because of the jalapenos. I don't know how you say that.
Jalapeno.
Jalapeno. So I'm guessing the color is because of the jalapeno. Pero sí, the look is muy raro, eh? El color es muy raro, pero no sé. Yeah. My camera is dying, that's amazing. So I was saying, I'm guessing it will work, but we'll see. Yeah. Nope. Fire. It does. That's great. Ugh. Well, that's all for today's video, guys. Oh, battery's gonna die. I really hope you liked it, you enjoyed it. I did. It was nice. I really like to taste them, but they're definitely the smell of everything. It really says that it's a no-no. So thank you for watching, and I will see you this Saturday for an Easter video. You know, a special Easter video. Bye. Take care.